up, guys? We are at Bald Eagle. We're gonna get to catching some bass on this windy day. It's getting gloomy now, so I don't know if it's gonna rain, but I'll catch you guys at the first spot. All right, guys, we're at the first spot. Unfortunately, I have lost my GoPro clamp, and I've got a new one on the way already. So, yeah, that would just happen when just before we got to the first spot. Thought I had one per second. I must have hit bottom. Apologize if I don't talk too much. Kind of like to enjoy my time when I'm out here. Got one. Ooh, it's a nice one too. I had a boat flip him. Oh my god. First fish. What a freaking stud muffin. Freaking amazing. Pre-spawn bass are one of the funnest bass to catch. I love catching pre-spawn bass. They're just big and stout. 2.9. So basically almost a 3-pounder. That was amazing. Oh my freaking god. On the chatter. Crazy work. I knew that tree was gonna bite. Holy crap. See if we can get some more bites like that. That was freaking amazing. Oh my god. And try to level up my game to catch, my personal best, which is 554. So yeah, we're just gonna cruise this shoreline and try to catch. Oh my god, another bass! Holy fucking amazing. Another stud muffin. Let's go, baby! Oh my god. Okay. Another one for the record. Sweet mama of Jesus. Like, back to back like that. That was only like a few hundreds feet from each other. And catching bass like that is fun. Got one. Proper, yes, go baby. Just a little small guy. Okay. Please do not hook me. Be nice. Be nice. Good, BCC. Good. Just a little small one. White plopper. All right, one last cast on the popper, and then we're gonna get out of the spot. Nice. I hope you guys saw that one. That was fucking wacky. Holy shit. Oh my god. Top water's just biting today. Whenever it's calm, yeah, it's a good idea to throw top water if you can get on the action. Holy crap. This guy exploded on it. Yeah, amazing. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose it. Oh my god. Another bass. Holy crap. Another one. Yeah, baby. It's getting windy again. What the heck is going on? Oh my god, yes, let's go. Another chunkers. Oh my god. We've caught so many fish today, holy crap. It's been back to back. Another one from the cats. Oh my god. Holy crap. I'm just having absolutely freak ton of fun right now. What's up guys? We are packing up. I'm gonna head to the boat ramp, get loaded up, and then we'll talk about our day. Alright, what's up guys? We are finally done with the fishing day. The bass were biting left and right on the chatterbait. We also had a couple bass with the plopper. The frog didn't do production as much as I would like. It had a couple of blow-ups, but I guess I might have set the hook too late. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you guys in the next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want to see something different from what I do. Yeah, but peace. I'll see you guys next time.